So this is a fold-up trailer, but it also kind of functions as a dump cart because of the fold-up feature. So I'm going to use that to my advantage to get this tractor off of here. Alright, I'm going to try to get the tractor off of here, just kind of dump it slowly. We'll see how that goes. I guess okay. So I built this little lean-to in the back of my shed just out of some iron I had from the kids' trampoline that they weren't using anymore. And I had pond liner, which is essentially the same as roofing rubber. So I just used some cheap garden fencing to hold it up. And it's pretty nice. So anyway, I put the fold-up trailer in here. But I used to just keep it under a tarp back here. And then at that time, I was using a pulley up in the tree to help me fold it. So since I can't do that anymore, I have this lift, what do you call it, hoist. But if I fold it up in the shed, once it's folded up, you'll see it just runs on these little dollies, so it's fine for moving around on, sorry, not dollies, but caster wheels. So it's fine on this wood floor, it's fine on the cement back there, but obviously it's not going to go through the dirt. So I came up with this little trailer cart, I guess I'll call it, to get it back in the shed. So I'm just going to show you how this works, how I fold it up. So first thing is to remove the sides. And the most annoying part of the folding up is to remove this bolt on each side. Easier said than done with one hand. I'll bring you back. And I just keep them right here so I don't lose them. Okay, here's how I fold this up. Alright, I just tie a bit of rope on the hitch here and give it something to latch onto. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to just close this garage door so I don't break the windows. Ah. Okay, so I have to be careful not to get underneath this. I don't want to trust my track job or the knot I just tied with my life. And so I'm going to work from behind because I kind of have to help it along as it lifts up. Let's see. Maybe that'll give you a decent view. Okay, so now it's up on its little dolly wheels, caster wheels, and I can just let the latch down, or the hitch. All right, that's folded up. Okay, so here is the trailer cart. Comes in 3 parts: wheels, hitch, and a little support board, which I'll show you what that's for in just a second. All right, so just run the cart underneath here. These 2 little arms, just pick it up and it goes under like that. All right, then before I hook it up all the way, I just hook these chains on here to help keep the from tipping, I guess. Okay. So I just step down on this. That lifts the back side of the trailer up, and then I put this board in here. To hold it like that. I gotta fix this arm, it didn't quite line up. Let me try that again. Okay. And the hitch just slides under here. This just slides on here. And that just keeps it together. So then, once I come in with the tractor and lift that up, the front casters will be off the ground, the back ones stay off the ground, and we're good to go. So it would have been nice to use a ball hitch for the trailer cart, but then I would have to have bought the hitch part, and as it is, I made everything free from the scrap I had around. So plus this could get lower to the ground, so I don't have to lift it up onto the ball. Okay, so you can see when it's not lifted by the tractor, you can still move this around on the front casters, which makes it pretty easy. So to take it apart is just the opposite of the other. Put in the wood support. And you see this, lift up this little latch. Slide out the hitch. Let it down on the casters. Undo the chains. I just pushed it back here against the back where it takes up the least space.